Hello everybody, it's Buck WSR Weezer putting the do in a do-it-yourself, and I'm sitting inside the 2008 Honda Odyssey, the minivan. And our goal here in this session is to learn how to reset the oil life indicator. So you can see there right under the speedometer, it says oil change 5%. So it's almost time for this to have an oil change. Although, to be honest, I don't really do my oil changes according to what the oil life indicator tells me. So just so you know, I'm still old school. Whenever I change the oil, like I just did today, I take the lid from the oil filter, write the date and the mileage on there, and then I throw this card into the glove compartment. So that's how I keep track, and I really pay no attention to the oil life indicator, except that it's illuminated now and it's bugging me. So I want to turn it off. So I'm making this video as a reminder to myself, because I don't want to have to pull out the manual every time I want to do this to remember how to do it. But here we are. I got the book out. I'm going to read it and walk you through the steps. Turn the ignition switch to the on or 2 position. All right, so from dead off, you go 1, 2, right there. All right. Number 2, press the select reset knob until engine oil life indicator is displayed, which of course it already is displayed. So what happens if I push this? Okay. There it is. So we got it illuminated. Oil change percentage. Number 3, press the select reset knob for about 10 seconds. The engine oil life indicator and the maintenance item codes will blink. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all right, 10. There we go. So they're blinking. Next step. Press the select reset knob for more than 5 seconds. The maintenance item codes will disappear and the engine oil life indicator will reset to 100. All right, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. 100. Oil life 100%. We've done it. This is true for the Honda Odyssey as long as you have the LX, EX, EXL, and Canadian DX models. If you got the Touring, it's a different procedure on the Touring models. I don't have the Touring model. I think this is the EXL. I don't know what it is. The Touring model must have a different display than these other ones do. Now this is reset procedure is probably the same on a Honda Pilot, maybe some other automobiles as well of the Honda or Acura variety. But now it's reset. We're good to go. And as much of a pain as it is to reset that, changing your oil is always a wonderful thing. So do it, and do it regularly. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. And I'll look forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye.